Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need tickets linked to your Disney account and the app open. Do this now so you can request a lightning lane. Once done, enable location and notifications because the app uses them to confirm proximity and alert you when your return window opens. Next, scan Park Map and pick your highest priority ride. Request the first lightning lane quickly after park entry to secure earlier return windows and minimize standby wait times. You request a lightning lane in the app by selecting a ride and confirming the offered return window. If it's a paid individual lightning lane, complete purchase. Once booked, watch the countdown and the app's updates so you can modify or cancel if a better time appears. Canceling frees capacity for others and lets you rebook. Make sure to stagger bookings across different attractions and use Genie Plus and individual lightning lanes together to maximize throughput and reduce total wait time. You arrive at the lightning lane entrance during your return window and scan the app QR or tap your Magic Band/phone. Do this early in the window to avoid queues. If the app glitches, immediately show your booking confirmation to a cast member and request assistance. Often they'll honor the window or reassign a slot. Make sure to capture screenshots and note timestamps if technical problems persist. These serve as evidence for guest services to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.